My computer died. Can you believe that? So I have just these last two slides to do. My plug was plugged in, but it wasn't clicked in, and all of a sudden it just said shutting down. So where was I? I was talking about ing, and I had said that I had mixed up drinking and getting, so I fixed that before I started recording again. So what I'd like to talk about, and I said that this was the yellow group, I think this was the blue group, and this was the red group. So we're still going to stick to that, yellow, blue, and red. And when we're looking at the yellow group, let me switch back over to yellow. We look at the base word, and the base word for drinking is, drink. And the base word for muttering is mutter. Mutter just kind of means like to mumble. Did you hear what I said? It's because I was muttering. So when we are looking at these ing words, each group, the left, the right, the left, the middle, and the right, they all have something in common that's different from the other groups. And I want to just show you what that is with adding ing to a word. So drinking and muttering, we just simply took the base word and we added ing to the end of it, right? Now, if you're looking at the word getting and slipping, we said this was the blue group, and I'll use my highlighter. The base word for getting is get, and the base word for slipping is slip. And so here we have an extra letter added plus ing. So we have the extra letter plus ing. And that happens sometimes as well. And then for the last group, the base word, let me switch to red. The base word is suppose and take. Now, maybe you're a good speller and you know how to spell both of these words, but all of you should know how to spell take. Take is spelled T-A-K-E, right? Well, here's some news for you. Suppose is spelled S-U-P-P-O-S-E. Now, in some cases, you might have to drop the vowel. In this case, it was an E for both of them. Then add ing. So I just wanted you to see that. All right, last slide. Directions. Fill in each blank with the appropriate tense of the verb in parentheses. So we have to look here. Rachel crashes, crashed, crashing. Rachel blank her bicycle last month. So it already happened. So we should add ed to that. So crashed. Rachel crashed her bicycle last month, and so still last month, she had a fracture in her arm, but it was last month, so we need to also say ed, fractured. Her wrist. Now, so it's happening right this second. Now she has to wear, so wears. It would be wear, wearing, weared. Weird's not a word, it's wore, if it were past tense. But she has to, now she wears a cast on it, and it, base word is itch a lot. So we can't say and it itch a lot. That's not how we say that. If it's happening right now, it's itches. You have to add an es on the end. If I could spell itches, though, itches, right? Next month, so in the future, she will go, not just go. You wouldn't say next month she go to the doctor. No. Next month she will go to the doctor. That up a little bit, to the doctor, and he will remove the cast. So that's just telling us that it's happening in the future. He will remove the cast. And that's all I have for you today. Thank you for putting up with 2 videos. I appreciate it. And let me know if you need any help on your homework.